entering Unity or enter Unity. Although many factors have contributed to rapid growth of indie games. So that means many factors have contributed for rapid growth of individual developments like Google Play Store, App Store, etc. It is also true that tools like Unity have contributed greatly to this moment. So tools like Unity, they are also helping for this movement of individual game developers. A game engine is a software backbone that provides a lot of basic elements needed to make a game work. So game engine basically is a software that provides basic tools embedded in it for an individual game developer for making game work. These elements include things like ability to display, that is render, 3D and 2D graphics, handle basic physics called a physics engine, and detect collisions between game objects or collision engine, and even provide a basic AI scripts or other ready-made assets. So these are assets which are included in a game engine. So game engine includes ability first of all to render, that is display 3D and 2D graphics. So it displays 3D and 2D graphics. Then it handles basic physics called as physics engine. So physics include for example object is flying due to falling due to gravity. So that includes physics. Now detect collisions between game objects. So collision between game object, that means if we are colliding with an enemy, so our character will be shaken. So that is collision between game objects or collision engine. So collision engine is used for that, and even provide basic AI scripts or other ready-made assets. Instead of creating a game from scratch, a tool like Unity allows a team of developers to focus on elements that make their game unique and then simply insert them into working environment. So a tool like Unity is helping or allowing team of developer to focus on elements that are making game look different than other, that is unique, and then simply insert them into working environment. That means working environment is uh, the environment of game. Now Unity combines this with a handy interface and cross platform functionality. Platform functionality, that means it can be used for Android as well as iOS devices, and thereby saves countless thousands of hours that would otherwise be necessary to build a fully realized game. That means it is saving a countless coding time or countless hours that would otherwise be necessary to build a fully realized game from scratch and part and port it to Android, iOS, and Windows. So one game can be played on a single game can be played on Windows also, Android also, and iOS also. That is cross platform functionality. So cross platform functionality is basically being able to use one software in various systems or ecosystems. If Unity is providing the underlying code for your physics, then did you really make the game? And if it's providing a user-friendly graphical interface for dragging and dropping pre-made game assets, how it is any different from Game Maker? Is that far removed from Super Mario Maker? So that means uh, is it so that means if it is so easy to make a game with the user friendly graphics and uh, every helpful tool, so are we really making a game? And are we different from that Super Mario Maker? Means are we different from other game developers? Then make no mistake, Unity is a comprehensive tool that is used by thousands of developers Big and small, many of your favorite games on Android and elsewhere are most likely built using Unity, including famous games. So this is list of games that were built using Unity. First is Temple Run, second is Bad Piggies, third is Lara Croft Go, fourth is Deus Ex The Fall, fifth is Escape Plan, sixth is Battlestar Galactica Online, seventh is Rust, eighth is Super Hot, ninth is Lucky's Tale, 10 is Mountain Man Monument Valley, 11th Cuphead, 12th Ori and Blind Forest, 13 Bro Force, and 14 is Stealth Brush. So all these games were built up using Unity. So if we are using Unity, we are not different than other developers. So because almost all developers are using Unity and game engines.